Alright, what's up guys? I'm going to show you how I have this iPad on here. Obviously just ignore this cord. This is just from my iPhone. But I have everything in the description as well. They're just affiliate links. It's exactly what I have. So it's 3 of these magnetic holders here. It'll say for a phone, but I use it for an iPhone, or I use it for my iPad. And I've had this on for like 3 years, and I've never had to replace it. So make sure you get the one in the link, just because I know that one works. This cord, this L shape, or I guess it's not really L, it's like a 90-degree cord. This you can also find in the affiliate link. This is how I hide the cord. So like what I'll do is I'll slip this behind. I'll plug it in here. So it's hidden. And of course it charges. It's all behind the back. Also, when you put these on, like I just have these on the screen. You guys might not have it here. You guys might have to pick somewhere else, like put it here, put it here. Every car is different, so you just got to figure out what works for you. I've had it work with only 2 magnets, but it's not the best. Also, these magnets come with these metal plates. I guess they're magnets as well. So you want to match these up with each magnet when you put it on like that. Me, since I just have it all flat right here, I just go ahead, put the cord through here. Now put the iPad on there. Make sure it's good. But yeah, it's very solid. Like I can hit it from each side. Sorry, my thing. Cancel. This happens to me all the time. Cancel. There we go. All right. The downsides of this is you don't really have a backup camera unless you take it off. This is a 13-inch iPad, so it's really big. I have widgets on here, which you can just go to edit, add widget, and you can add whatever you want. And when you put the widget on, just make the biggest ones, and you can put it on. You have 6 different widgets of things that you like. Like I have calendar, weather, maps, music, news, TV. I watch Netflix, YouTube, whatever on here. So the main things to put this on is you need the iPad, whether it's the 13-inch like this one or the 11-inch like I have in my sedan, which I also have this exact same setup. Sometimes the smaller ones work better if you have a smaller car, but you can't do it on a car. That actually looks really nice. This one is just because this one's a little bit bigger of an SUV, so it just works out and lets me not buy a new vehicle, because I mean this feels like a new vehicle, and it could do more with the iPad, so you know, why not. Yeah, that's pretty much it. In the description I have all the affiliate links, so I mean if you want to help me out a little bit, I get a few cents, but those things are exactly what I have. I have my phone over here. I'm not sure if you can see, but over here I have my phone. Sometimes I do Lyft and Uber, and I could or Lyft and Uber on this. I could do it on this iPad too. Like easy, whatever. My phone here, I just put this behind it. That's pretty much it. Sirius XM, if you pay for the app, it's only $5. Oh, I hope that doesn't copyright my thing. But yeah, Sirius XM, it's $5 a month. Same thing as having Sirius XM on your car. Let's see what else. Music looks awesome. You can like see the lyrics as it plays. I'm not gonna play it because I already don't know if I'm gonna get demonetized just from that. But yeah, that's it. If you guys have any questions at all, I am gonna be in the comments. Not even sure if this will get a lot of views, but anything helps. Please subscribe. Please do comment, like, whatever. This will probably be the last video I make about the iPad, just because it's pretty simple. I just have these cords behind here, that L cord there, whatever, and it just goes on. It goes on. Sometimes you have to, sometimes the cord gets caught on the magnet. There we go. But yeah, and these are also tilting, so you can tilt this if you don't like see in the back. Make sure it's not covering your vents too much. Yeah, that's it. All right, thanks guys.